One of the major challenges for deployment of EV charging infrastructure in Australia is the cost to deliver it and the speed at which it's coming about. We will reach critical mass in terms of EV adoption in this country, and based on the speed of deployment that we are seeing, we will fall significantly behind in terms of what's required to support those EV owners from a public charging infrastructure point of view. There's been a significant reliance on private hosts and landlords like shopping centres to deliver on-street or publicly available charging infrastructure to the community. The challenge that represents is that it is not always commercial to do that for these operators. A lot of it is provided as a matter of convenience, or has been, and it's been really, really important to assist early adopters who've chosen to purchase EVs that don't have access to at-home charging. The challenge with that scenario is doing this at pace and at scale, and with a degree of quality and confidence. And the only way that we can achieve that is working in partnership with local government and our electricity utilities. When we look at more mature markets like Europe and the US, one of the linchpin moments for EV adoption in those markets was the visibility of more significant curbside charging infrastructure. What the EVx pole charger does is it gives us the ability to roll out that infrastructure in trilateral partnership with local governments, with the utilities, in the best possible way to support EV owners that don't have access to off-street parking, or that may have access to off-street parking but don't have the ability to install chargers where they live.